Hey folks, welcome back to another session with Azure Developer Community. And today we have with us a multi-phase personality, Mr. Viraj Desai, who is a cloud enthusiast, tech enthusiast, and he's also having a quite nice industry experience. He's also the Azure Developer Lead, and today he is here with all of us. And today he'll be sharing about what all things are there in the Azure Developer Community. How can you get benefited from the community? And if you have any other queries or anything like that, you can directly put them into the comment section and he'll be more than happy to help you guys over there. So let's start with the session. Over to you, sir.
Yes. So I hope I'm visible correctly. So uh, Varun, can you confirm? Is everything right?
Yes, sir, you are visible, but there is a lag between your voice and your video.
Okay. Oh, so can I rejoin?
Yes, sir, you can rejoin once. Till then, guys, if you're having
Okay.
any other queries or anything, you can directly put them into the comment section till the time our mentor is getting the things sorted, and then we'll start with the session. No issues. Waiting for your doubts. And you all must be able to see the Discord link of Azure Developer Community. I'll highly recommend you to please join the Discord channel of Azure Developer Community because we are regularly conducting quizzes on Azure services and Azure Cloud Platform where winners are getting swags from Microsoft as well as $100 Azure passes or certification exams timely. So you all can join and get benefited. And also one thing, you can get the expert mentorship and community support. There are many highly experienced mentor like Viraj sir present there in our Discord server. So if you'll post any kind of query regarding to the thing, there are many industry personals who will definitely help you out with the things. So I'll highly recommend you guys to please join our Discord server. The link is being displayed on your screens. On the bottom side, you must be able to see. So if you're having any other queries or anything, kindly put that into the comment section. So our mentor is back with us. Let's start with the session. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now it's fine, Varun.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah. Great. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Azure Developer Community. So I will share my screen. Wait a second. Yes. So uh, Here I will first give a quick introduction about me. So I am a second year student pursuing my BTech from IT Vocational University, and I'm doing a specialization in cloud technology and information security. So yeah, I'm really interested in this field. And apart from that, I'm an Azure Developer Lead, or you can say a organizer for Azure Developer Community Surat, and I'm a Postman student leader. I'm a Binance campus builder, and I'm an hack club lead. And from development side, I love to build Android apps. I'm an passionate Android developer, and also I love to learn about the cloud computing and currently exploring more on that. So yeah, that's all about me. And here are my social media handles. So if you want to follow me, you can definitely check out these links. And also, it might be available in the description later on. So yeah, don't worry about that. So that's all about me, and yeah, let's get started. So next, I will start with the slides one by one. So here, first of all, like what is Azure Developer Community? Okay, so we will understand by breaking the words itself. Okay, so here you can see it's comprised of three words: Azure Developer and Community. So Azure is maybe most of you already know, but let me explain. So Azure is a cloud service, or you can say a cloud provider from Microsoft. Okay, so there are various Azure services which you can use, like you can host your website, you can deploy your backend, or like anything which like you can do with cloud. It's available in Azure. So Azure is basically a cloud service provider which is backed by Microsoft. Okay, so it's a Microsoft entity. And yeah, developer is, like you all know, like who codes, who develops something is a developer. And community, So before like explaining whole term Azure Developer Community, I will explain what is community in general. Okay, so community is like where the people like me or you all are gather and share your learnings and learn from each other. Okay, so it's a, like you can say, a group of people who have a same goal in their mind to learn something and to share their experiences and knowledge. So it's all about, that's all about community. So the whole world Azure Developer Community means a community of developers who are interested in learning more about Azure, who have interest in Azure technologies or Azure services, are like welcome to join us. And yeah, that's the meaning of the whole world Azure Developer Community. So apart from that, now here are the few advantages, or you can say, you can also say that these are the goal of Azure Developer Community. Okay, so the first one is learn, right? So learn means whenever like you join any community or all, then the main motive for every community is to upskill the people. Okay, to make people aware about some various resources and opportunities and all. So here also as a developer community is doing the same. So learning, we as a developer community organize various events weekly, like around, you can say weekly there are regularly 3 to 4 events, and that all events are connected by the expert speakers or like the Azure dev leads like me and like so many folks. Okay, so and this is all about learning, that if the student joins us, then our main motive for the member of a community, or a, you can say, yeah, basically a member, that he learns something, he or she can learn from our resources, of from our sessions and whatever we provide them. So this is the main goal, like to make people aware about Azure by various events and like boot camps. We also conduct boot camps. Then also Azure will sponsor a few hackathons, so you can be a part of that hackathon and learn about Azure. So that is all about learning. Then network. So like if you are using LinkedIn or Twitter, and if you have watched some videos on YouTube, you might be know that networking is really very important in the field of engineering. Okay, so in like if you are a, and mostly even if you are a student, then networking is really important to get you a better job, or you can say to become a successful person, you to earn more money in general way, in more like precise way. The networking is really important, because at the end you want to start your business or you want to get a job. Okay, and for that you need a network of good people. So being a part of community like Azure Developer Community, or I'm not saying just about Azure Developer Community, but like all community, it means any developer community you join, they all have this like this main advantage, that you can network with amazing people. Okay, so yes, the main another advantage for joining Azure Developer Community is networking. So here we have like networking events, also a few networking events. Then you will get an opportunity to connect with the experts who are like working in the Microsoft. Okay, and these experts are really, I'm saying that they have like 10 to 15 years of experience, and they are doing great in their field, so you can learn from them. And I just say the statistics about our community. So around, just on the Discord, we have more than 6,000 members. Okay, so just imagine that how big our community is. So being a part of such a huge community, you will definitely grow your network. Okay, so what I suggest is just join the Discord server and engage with the chats, and like just go through the events which are happening and just engage with the community. So you will definitely build a good network. And in later on I will also explain like how to be a part of community, like what steps you can do. Then yeah, so this is about the networking. Now next thing is upskill. So it's always interconnected. Okay, so if you learn with networking, then definitely you will be upskilled. Okay, your skills will be grown, you will be a better person, you will have great knowledge. And see, community, as I said earlier also, community is not just about learning. Okay, so definitely you will learn from the community, but it is also about giving back. So you will So whatever you have learned from others or from any source, just share it with others. Okay, so there is one saying, like in education, if you share what you know, then it won't get away from you. Okay, so definitely, like you should teach someone like what you already know, so your concepts will be also cleared more, and the other person will definitely get benefited. So you can give back to the community by organizing events, or you can say just being a speaker like me and hosting events like this. So you can be a part of our community by being a speaker also. So I'll explain later on that what are the options, other options available. So these three all are just about it, like learning, networking, and upskilling. This is the main motive or a goal of Azure Developer Community. I hope you all understood about this. So at last, if you, even if you have any questions, you can definitely ask us. Okay, I'm here to answer that questions. So here, as I've said, so here are some interesting statistics about our community. So I can say this is also not updated recently, but it's the members count is more than 15,000. We have across 100 in 100 plus cities, and we have 66 organizers, 54 speakers, and this whole is just a one community. Okay, so community is one, but we have like different leads for every city. So what Azure Developer Community is doing is, so for every city, okay, for see here 100 plus cities are written. So for every city there is a one leader. Okay, for there is a one Azure developer lead. So as I am a leader for Surat, so there will be someone from Vadodara, some from Mumbai, some from any other city like Delhi, Pune. So here like that, there will be a Azure developer lead for every city. So you can, to join that community, you can just search it like your city, like definitely you can find it on Azure Developer Community's website, that whatever cities are having that in which cities Azure Developer Community is there. So you can search it on like community's website. So I will share it later on. So this is just about the stats, that yeah, we have like 15,000 plus community, and this in this community it's not that all just they are just students. There are also some professionals who are working in software industry, in technology, in tech industry, and the speakers are also like from my the great speakers are really great, like they are from even Microsoft or some big companies who are like having a, more than like 10 15 years of experiences. So that's about some statistics about our community. Now yeah, this is the main thing, like which everyone wants to know. Okay, like what are the perks, okay, what you will get. Definitely, like I will learn, and we are you can get the knowledge by joining a community. But apart from that, the main thing which like students are crave for as the swag. So by joining a developer community, you can get a chance to win exclusive swags from Microsoft, and these swags that I'm saying are really cool. You get maybe a T-shirt, like a hoodie, or like so many things, laptop stickers and all, water bottle. There are so many amazing swags which are from Microsoft and Azure. Also the free Azure passes. So what are these passes? These passes are like $100. For example, you get $100 pass. Okay, so that pass has some validity, so you can use that $100 credit in your Azure. So whatever uh, you are doing with Azure, like you are hosting your website, or like you are doing using any Azure services, so you can utilize that credit for that. So that's all about the Azure passes and Azure certification voucher. So this is a really like from all of this, one of the most useful, I can say, the perk is certification vouchers. Okay, so these certification vouchers are of worth of 6,000 rupees. So if you are doing any Microsoft certified course, for example, let's take AI 900, okay, which I have done, like which is about the uh, Microsoft AI fundamentals. Okay, so Azure AI fundamentals, where we have to learn about the various artificial intelligence services provided from Azure. So if you want to do such certifications for free from Microsoft, then you can definitely join us. And how you can win this box? So see, in almost I can say that every day we have a quiz, or not every day, but at least 3 to 4 times in a week we have a quiz. on our Discord server, where you should be in a top 10 or top 5 to win these swags. Okay, so that is the your eligibility criteria to win these things. And also we are, as I said, we are also sponsoring hackathons and the bootcamp. So there are also there are some giveaways, and like winners will get these perks. So that is all, like how you can win these perks, and these perks are available for you. So please join our community. It's really great for you. Yes. So now, yeah, these are our. You can scan the QR code from here. Later on, also, like it's available on description. So if these are the ways you can connect with us. So you can join from the for Discord. Also the link is displayed here, that bit.ly as a Discord. So you can join our Azure Developer Community Discord. You can follow us on Twitter. You can follow us on LinkedIn. Also on YouTube, like you can subscribe our channel. We are having events regularly and weekly. As I said, around 3 to 4 events are definitely happening every week. So you can subscribe us on YouTube to get latest update about our events. And to know more about us, you can visit our website, azuredev.community. So here you will get. So I will go through this website, Azure Developer Community. So from that you can know. Okay. Okay, so see, this is our page. So to join our community, there are two options here. So either you will become an organizer, or you can be a speaker, or you can simply join us as a member also. Okay. So here to become organizer, so if you are like from any city which don't have any existing leader for your city, okay, so you can apply here. Okay, you can click here, become an organizer, and you have to fill a form, and then Azure developer team will contact you for that. So will you will become an organizer for your city. And one thing I can say that this organizer is not just for a college specific. Okay, so it's city specific. So for example, I am a leader for Surat. So for whole Surat, I am a lead. So I am not just a lead for particular university in which I am studying. I am a leader for my whole city. I am responsible for to conduct events in my whole city. So please keep this in mind while applying as an organizer. And another is sign up as a speaker. So if you want to speak at the events, like the at the sessions like this which I am conducting, or any you have some ideas in your mind that I want to speak up about this thing about on Azure, and you have experience on Azure, then you can definitely sign up as a speaker. We will like definitely like to onboard you as a speaker of Azure Developer Community, and you will definitely get perks for that also. So please join us either as an organizer, either as a speaker, or you can simply join us as a member. As a member also, you will get all benefits. Okay. So yeah, so here you can see that in so many regions we have the Azure community. So you can find this on your on a website, that which that whether your region has one or not. And if it don't have one, then you can contact us. We will definitely get one community for your city, and you will definitely apply as leader or as an organizer for that community. So yeah, these are our partnering communities and past events. So you can learn more about our community through this website. So keep this in mind, that this is our Azure Developer Community is a website to reach out to join us and like to know more about us. So yeah, that's all about Azure Developer Community. Now I'm ready to take a few questions. If anyone has any questions, then definitely they can ask, or you can sum up this session. Yeah. Okay. So do we have any questions? Otherwise, I can just summarize what I have said. Okay, so I'll just give a brief what I have said here. So yeah, I've said I've given a brief introduction about Azure Developer Community, that why you should join, why what are the benefits one should get from it, and Yeah, that's it. That Azure Developer Community is a community of students, not just students, like professionals and all who are interested in learning about Azure, uh, to like share the knowledge and to be a part of community. So yeah, that's all about Azure Developer Community. So I guess if you don't have any questions, we can end this session now. Okay, so I guess we can end it.
So I think there are no questions from the audience. So I'd request the audience, if you have
Yes,
any kind of queries regarding the community, you can directly put them in the live chat. You must not miss such an amazing opportunity to ask the questions to an industry relevant
yeah,
person or
definitely.
an experienced person who is having. Means I've seen many of the person like Sir Viraj sir also in the starting told that he's a postman ambassador and many of the ambassadors. So you can see the person, I have seen many of the person whosoever is at a good post. I have seen mostly they are part of the communities, whether it be Azure community or any other communities. There are several many communities which they join. Like sir, I would
Yes,
like to ask you a question that there are
sure.
several communities, not just one. There are many communities. So
Hmm.
how can one select that this community is good for me and I'll be suitable for this, or I should join that community or some other? If you could say something on that.
Yeah, sure. So see, first of all, like I don't have any bad saying that like you don't join this community or this, but just keep this one thing in mind that please join communities if they are inclusive and they are supportive. So I have seen few that they're just there for their promotion, like they are doing just their paid promotions, and for that you have they're like asking you that you should invite more people and join you. So don't join such communities which ask you to invite more members and just ask you to pay money. So join communities which are inclusive and which are open and they don't charge any money. Okay, so we as a Azure developer community, we don't charge a single money from our member. Okay, so we are totally free and we are also inclusive. We don't have any restriction that only students should join or only professionals should join. So we are open for all. So join communities like Azure Developer Community, or like there are a few other like if you have a GDSC or like any other your local community, you can join that. So just keep this in mind, one thing, and yeah. If also the goal of the community should match, like here in Azure, we are like having folks who have a knowledge regarding cloud. So if you are having the like that thought in my mind that I want to learn about cloud and DevOps and all, so you can join communities based on your like skills, like on which you want to improve. Yeah.
Yeah, like thank you for such an unbiased answer. This was really very nice, and means you covered each and every point. Like you said that there are several many people who just try to get benefit of themselves and they don't let you grow as an individual. So this was the thing.
Yes.
Now, sir, from this, a question arises. Like you said, that don't join the communities who are just uh, taking you in just for the sake of promotions. But like, if you are joining a community, and sometimes there are communities who ask you that, can you please do a UI UX designing, or you can do a video editing kind of things, or something like that. But sometimes the
Hmm.
students become very rigid that no, I am a technical guy. I'll do only and only work related to the technical one. So, what you have to say about this?
Yeah, so don't do that. I can say you should definitely explore everything. So even I'm a technical person, but I'm like I still design for some event or like, so the PPT which you have seen here is designed by me. Okay, so don't do that that you are a technical person. So just you do coding. You should explore the thing, but also I don't say I will say that if you are having some another commitments, like if you are having some internship or some other commitments, then you can definitely say that yeah, currently I'm busy, I don't do that. But you should give us a specific reason if you are saying no to a thing. And I can say that you can explore everything. Okay, like you don't just be that nerd kind of guy. Be open to everything and learn whatever opportunity you get. Yeah, that's what I say.
Yeah, absolutely. Like, we can summarize the thing that whatever you learn, it's never gonna be wasted. It is going to come back whenever it's required. Like you have already
Definitely.
mentioned in the talk that learning is always beneficial. It won't go if you distribute it to others. It will increase only.
Yeah.
And we can go
Yeah.
with the
Definitely.
things as well. There are several other things as well. You can join, you can interact with the communities. There are communities. Don't just think that I don't know anything. How do I join this communities? People will mock me up and all those things. No, join the communities. It will boost your confidence. You'll get to know very things, and plus it can be uh, rewarding, and you will enjoy the things. Like let's take the example of Azure Developer Community. We are conducting, as sir already told, 3 to 4 quizzes every week. In this month, the,
Yes.
on an average, we were conducting 2 to 3 quizzes every week, and the winners were getting uh, merchandise from Microsoft. Or today, today also, today I think 20 people have got Azure passes worth $100 each. Sometimes many a times the person says like, I am not having the Azure credits, or my credits have been expired or used up. No, so what can I do? So you can join the communities. You don't have to pay $100. Can you imagine? It's worth 7,000 rupees in India. So you don't have to pay a
Yes.
single penny. And sometimes you say, what is the use of these credits? What do I do with this? You can use them. Like if you are in a college student, you can build a project and you can directly deploy it on Azure. You don't have to pay anything. It's ready, and you can showcase the project on whatsoever socials or an interview. And as well as there is, sir already mentioned that Azure certification exams. You can go to the Microsoft official site and you can go check like the basic exam, which is the first exam prescribed by everyone, is AZ 900 Azure Fundamental
Is
Exam.
it 100?
Its
Yes.
cost is $165. Imagine. $165, and you can get that for free. You can just go, and if you fail, then also you don't need to worry that, oh, my $165 just got wasted. No, you can just cheer up, like, okay, this was the time when I learned, like what is the pattern of the exam. Next time I'll once again try to be the part of community, take part in the event, and I'll again once again crack this exams. And as we are talking of AZ 900, there is one more doubt from the side of students that, sir, where can we prepare from these things? Many of times we say you can refer to the documentation. There is a beautiful
Mm.
documentation from Microsoft. So this is, so that's boring, or we are unable to understand, and there are several resources available in the market, but they are really very costly. So what can we do? So for that also there is a solution. We are regularly conducting the boot camps. Like you can check our channel.
Yeah. Boot
You'll
camps.
be able to see we conducted boot camp on AZ 900, DP 900, and AI 900, all the fundamental exams. And we are once again coming up with our tying up with our educational partners. And I think from 23rd of March we are again starting with our AZ 900 bootcamp. So you can join us. There is a quiz at the fourth day, and again that giveaway will happen. So you people can join us for sure. The Discord link is already being displayed on your screen at the bottom side, and let me just show it above also, so you can see
Yeah.
it's visible. You can just click on the link and you'll be able redirected to the Discord. Just go there. There are several many mentors like Virat sir and many more. So if he's busy with some of the work, you'll post your query, you'll surely get an answer from any other person or the student. Might be possible that someone else is also having the same issue, and you can just solve the queries of many others like you. You can just go, just say that, sir, I am beginner friendly. How can I get started with the communities? Where can I learn? The people are really very welcoming. They'll really help you to get the things sorted, and you'll get really benefited. You'll think that you are ahead of someone. Like in this online time, I must tell my personal experience that at a particular moment we think like, oh no, we are having no interaction with seniors, we are having no resources, the moral gets
Yes.
down, we get demotivated. So you can just directly go there, conduct the meetups, attend the conferences, or you can say a video call like thing, have fun, have a group discussion, a fireside chat where the mentors are there, HDW leads are there. You can directly ask them the questions. You can get rewarded. So it helps you keep motivated, and you'll keep yourself charming, and you'll be willing to learn the things. You'll able to get the resources. You come write the blog, and then also you'll get the swags from Microsoft, uh, or from Reskill side or any other side. So you can start with the things. So if you have any other queries, you can put them down in the comment section, Or else, if you're not having right now, you can directly connect with the sir on either LinkedIn. Let me share his LinkedIn profile. And the best way I would recommend is to you can directly tag sir on Discord.
Discord.
So
Yeah, that's the best thing.
either he will answer you, or some other mentor will surely answer if sir is busy with some other thing. But it's for sure that your query will be resolved very soon and with a
Hmm.
satisfactory answer. So no issues regarding that. If you don't have any other queries, we are good to wrap up with the session. Sir, if you have
Sure.
anything else to say, you can, or we can wrap up with the session as well.
uh yes, so just last thing that I want to share my experience of being a part of community. So like around last 6 to 8 months, I'm engaged in communities like this Azure Developer Community. Means I'm part of few other communities also. So I just say that don't be a shy to ask questions in communities. Okay, be open to that. I have seen few folks that like I am a totally beginner. I don't know about these things. So how should I ask? How will people judge me if I ask this silly question? So don't just be that. Ask even a very simple question that what is Azure. We will definitely answer it. Okay, so just ask questions as many as you can, and yeah, just engage with the community and be a part of it. That's all. So also this will help you in your career also, like if you know cloud computing, if you know about Azure, then it will, you can add it on your resume. And for in terms of job perspective also, it will be helpful. Like you already know how to deploy, how to use Azure services, how to deploy your project. If you have deployed one, then it's really great. So yeah, there is I can say there is no disadvantage of joining this community. There are all, these are just all advantages. Okay, so yeah, just join us. That's all from my
Yeah.
side.
So a huge shout out to our mentor who came here, spent his time and take out his time from the busy schedule and shared shared the knowledge with all the folks. So really thank you sir for coming here and giving such a precious knowledge and relevant knowledge to each and everyone who is watching us. And thank you guys for being such a supportive and lovely audience. Stay safe, and you can check out. We are having several many sessions with different topics. And if you want to organize, you can directly connect with us. We'll help you with the things as well. We are having no issues. Just connect. You can join our Discord. So there is no harm, as sir said, in joining the communities. So let's end
Yeah,
this session with the positive line only. So till then,
sure.
take care. Tata. Bye bye. See you.
Yeah, bye.